Hello guys, this is Afin Said blog. So guys, today I show you JPG to PDF file. This is very easy way how you convert JPG to PDF file online and upload your image to JPG to PDF convert. So guys, this is very simple way. So many people don't know. No need to for apps. You can browsing and you can convert your file, or you can convert your any book or anything. Okay, so what you do first, need to search there, this Google need to search JPG to PDF. Okay, then when you search, then coming this one, when you coming need to be click this option. When you click this option, when you click this option, there have, see, you need to click there. When you click there, coming camera, when you coming camera, okay, need to go there and click. When you click, then put OK. When you make OK, see coming there, it's converting this our file. Okay, see already convert our file. Okay, when you convert our file, this there, check there GP2 to PDF file. There have also download option, also you can download also. Okay, I make download. When I make download, already downloading this our PDF file. Okay guys, how much you need, you can do do one by one, more. Okay, so thanks for